What if failure was just the beginning? What if, instead of seeing it as an end, we saw it as a new chapter waiting to be written? Imagine the possibilities that could unfold if we embraced our failures as stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. What if every setback was a setup for something greater, each challenge a hidden opportunity in disguise? What if the universe was conspiring to make you stronger, more resilient, and more determined than ever before? Picture this. You're at your lowest point. The world feels like it's closing in, and every door seems to be shutting in your face. The weight of the world is on your shoulders, and it feels unbearable. An athlete losing a game, a student failing an exam, an entrepreneur receiving a rejection email. These moments of defeat are universal, touching every walk of life. They are the moments that test our spirit and our resolve. It feels like the end, right? The end of dreams, the end of hope, the end of everything you've worked so hard for. But what if it's not the end? What if it's just the beginning of a new journey? But what if it's not? What if this moment of despair is the catalyst for your greatest transformation? What if lifting your head and looking forward is the first step towards a brighter future? The world has told them no. Society has set boundaries and limitations, pointing fingers and closing doors. But these rejections are not the final word. Life has knocked them down. The blows have been hard and the falls have been painful. But the true measure of a person is not how many times they fall, but how many times they get back up. But they refused to stay down. With every fall, they found the strength to rise again. They dusted themselves off and faced the world with renewed determination. Think about Steve Jobs, fired from his own company. A visionary who faced one of the most public rejections, yet he came back stronger, revolutionizing the tech industry. Oprah told she wasn't good for television. She faced criticism and doubt, but she turned those negative voices into fuel for her success, becoming a media mogul and an inspiration to millions. J.K. Rowling, struggling as a single mother. She faced countless rejections from publishers, but she never gave up on her dream. Her perseverance gave the world Harry Potter. They faced rejection after rejection. Each letter, each critique could have been the end. But they chose to see it as a challenge, a call to improve and persist. But they didn't give up. They tore through the barriers, fueled by a fire within that refused to be extinguished. Their determination was unbreakable. At their lowest moments, they made a decision to rise, to look in the mirror and see not defeat, but potential, to tie their shoes and take that first step forward, to keep going when everything told them to stop, to run in the rain, to work late into the night, to push through the fatigue and the doubt. You see, the moment you decide not to give up is the moment you start to rise. Determined faces, it's in that decision that you find your true strength, your true purpose. Hands typing late at night, athletes training hard, people reading and learning. These are the moments that build resilience, that forge character. Every action, every step is a step towards resilience. Each effort, no matter how small, is a testament to your determination. Success isn't about talent alone, it's about persistence. It's about the hours you put in when no one is watching, the sacrifices you make for your dreams. It's about showing up even when you don't feel like it. It's about lacing up those running shoes, getting out of bed and facing the day with courage. It's about believing when no one else does. It's about looking in the mirror and seeing a warrior standing tall even when you feel alone in a crowd. Look at the student getting an award, the pride in their eyes, the joy in their parents' faces. These moments are the culmination of countless hours of hard work and perseverance. The entrepreneur closing a deal, the athlete winning. These victories are not just about the final moment, but about the journey that led there. These moments of triumph are born from countless moments of struggle. The late nights, the early mornings, the relentless pursuit of a dream. You are stronger than you think. Every challenge you face, every obstacle you overcome is a testament to your strength. The greatest battles are given to the strongest warriors. Keep pushing forward, your time is coming. The mountain you climb today will be the view you cherish tomorrow. If this inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Inspire someone else today. Share your story, your journey, and be the light that guides others through their darkest moments.